friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 5-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Which is the exceptional category 1. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and etc. Room category 2. Category 3. Room category 4. Next, to discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is good in case you fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. Deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For the details about this comment, please check description. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.